Hello learners, welcome you all once again in my English grammar session. Today I will teach you comparison of adverbs. So first of all, let's revise what are adverbs. As I have already discussed this topic in my previous videos of adverb, okay? So if you have not watched till yet, I recommend you to first watch those videos. Now, an adverb is a word that modifies or describes a verb, an adjective or another adverb, and even a whole sentence also. Okay, for example, as you can see here, like he sings loudly. So in this sentence, loudly is an adverb. Then it also describes an adjective. Here very is describing the adjective tall. Then another adverb like to. Here to is describing the word or modifying the word quickly, and even sometimes a whole sentence. Fortunately, okay, it is an adverb which is describing the whole set of these words, isn't it? So this is the work or function of adverb, to describe or modify a verb, adjective or another adverb. Adverbs often end in ly, but some adverbs look exactly the same as their adjective counterparts. Okay, it means that there is no changes in their form. So adverbs, most of the adverbs ends in ly. Now, like adjectives, all adverbs also have degree of comparison. There are three degrees of comparison: the positive, the comparative and the superlative degree. The adverb forms their comparative and superlative degree using er and est and more and most. An adverb that ends in ly uses the words more and most to form their comparatives and superlative degree. Okay, we will see it one by one with some more examples. As you can see here, that the words or adverbs of one syllable uses er in the comparative form, okay, and est in the superlative form, like near, nearer, nearest, higher, higher, highest, early, earlier, earliest. Here y is been replaced by I. Soon, sooner, soonest, late, later, latest. Okay, so these all words are of one syllable, so they use er in comparative degree, whereas est in the superlative form. Then adverb which ends in ly have three or more syllables. Each form their comparative with more and the superlative with most, like angrily, more angrily, most angrily, brightly, more brightly, most brightly, freely, more freely, most freely, heavily, more heavily, most heavily. So as you can here see it very clearly that these positive words or absolute words ended with ly and they have three or more syllable. Okay, in that case it add more in comparative degree, whereas most is being added in the superlative form of the degree. So this is how we change different degrees of comparison in adverb. The comparative form is used to compare two things. Yes, like in adjective, comparative degree is used to compare two things. We must not reach there later than 7 o'clock. So here later is comparative degree of late, or that's an adverb. You speak more loudly than a speaker. Again, here is a comparison between the two, and the word used here is more loudly as comparative degree to compare two things. Sirius shines more brightly than all other stars. So here again there is a comparison between two stars, that the Sirius is more brightly than all other stars. So latter, more loudly, more brightly are comparative form of adverb. Now let's have a look how superlative form of adverb is used and how they form. So superlative form is used to compare three or more things. Like for example, he arrived the earliest, so he had to wait for the others. So here the earliest is the superlative degree of adverb. Why do you have to speak the most loudly of all at the meeting? So here most loudly is superlative form of degree or superlative form of adverb, which is here used to compare the way of speaking of all. Then the third example, of all the girls your sister sang the most sweetly. So here most sweetly is superlative form of adverb. So now I hope students it's clear that how you can form or how you can use positive, comparative and superlative form of adverb. Students, it is not correct to use er or more together or est and most together. Like for example, it is incorrect to say the tree is more taller than giraffe. It is absolutely wrong. Why? Because here you are using comparative degree, adding er to the adjective, and at the same time here it's more. So it is not necessary, it is absolutely wrong to use both together. So what will be the correct statement? The tree is taller than the giraffe. So any one of either you have to use. Then this turkey is the most oldest in the farm. So here most and oldest, it's wrong form of adverb or wrong form of superlative degree, because you cannot use both the words most as well as est together. Okay, so instead of that you will simply use this turkey is the oldest in the farm. Okay, so this is how we use comparative and superlative degree. Then some adverb forms the comparative and superlative irregularly. Okay, means there are some words which are irregular. In that case we do not add er or more or est or most. In that case its spelling is entirely different or their words entirely change, like badly, worse than, worst than, worst the. Then far, farther, farthest, far, further, furthest. Okay, so these are some irregular words which are completely changed in their form. Now here is one exercise for you. Okay, you have to complete this table using the correct form of adverb. I hope now you can easily do this exercise. As you can see here positive, badly, the comparative degree of it will be, just now as I have explained, worse than, and superlative will be worst, st. Okay, then more recently, so positive or absolute will be recently, it is an adverb. Okay, and the superlative form of more recently will be most recently. As we don't have enough space over here, I know you can understand it now. Okay, then clearest, the positive degree will be clear. Okay, and comparative will be clearer as it has one syllable. Then less, okay, that's a comparative degree. Yes, the next word is less, that's here given comparative degree, so the positive degree of less is little. Okay, less and least, this is the superlative degree of less. Then latest, okay, so the positive or absolute word for latest is late, later and latest. Okay, then joyfully, more joyfully, and superlative degree will be most joyfully. This is the correct answer. I hope you can now do it yourself even. Greedily, yes, we will add more over here, more greedily. Okay, okay, and most greedily. Then more swiftly, so the positive degree will be swift, simple, absolute word, swiftly, and here most swiftly, you will add adverb. Then quicker, quick will be the correct answer, and quickest, isn't it? Best, okay, so positive degree of best is good, then better. Okay, so I hope students now you can easily solve or you can easily find out comparison, as you have already studied about degree of comparison in adjective. Okay, so now you can easily transform or you can easily change the degree of comparison in adverb. Okay, so that's all for today's class. I hope you have enjoyed, you have learned the topic so nicely, so good. Okay, so see you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay healthy, stay fit. Thank you.